I'm here at Target. They got new body lotions in. One of you all let me know, and I'm excited. So there's a body lotion and a hand cream. The hand cream's $3. The body lotion is $4.49. It's the Up and Up line. They have coconut milk and shea butter, vanilla and white jasmine, ocean water, and then a fragrance-free one with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. And urea. Wow, that's really packing a lot. It's got a bunch of amino acids, which are part of your skin's natural moisturizing factors. The urea is great for softening dry, rough skin and improving moisture content. I offered this as a hand cream. Look who's back, you guys. $3.99 for the 2 SPF lip balms. SPF 50, water resistant. Highly recommend these. They were like MIA for the longest time. They're very similar to the banana boat one, but obviously a little less. No fragrance. You guys, this is new. Deal-worthy, fragrance-free, unscented body lotion. They also have one in a fresh scent. $2.99. Mineral oil. This kind of reminds me of the Up and Up fragrance-free lotion that used to be here. These look fancy. The new Vaseline Weightless Hydration Serum Burst Lotions. Let me know if you guys have tried these. They have fragrance, but they also have good moisturizing ingredients. I prefer to stick with fragrance-free body moisturizers, but I do dip on into the scents. I'm not going to pretend like I don't. This one's also new from Vaseline. The Men Fast Absorbing 3-in-1 Body, Face, and Hands. That looks promising. Does it smell like a pine forest? Probably, yeah. It's scented. Glycerin. Cetyl alcohol is a wax alcohol that's helpful for reducing transepidermal water loss. This is seriously one of the best Vaseline body lotions. This one right here, the Advanced Repair. It's fragrance-free. It's got glycerin, mineral oil, petrolatum, some fatty wax alcohols, sunflower seed oil. You can use it on the face. I do, at least. I also love this. Really good, especially if you get rashes under the breasts or in the abdominal folds. It's a great skin protectant. Good for your hands too. I get the all over body balm jelly stick. I got a 3-pack on Amazon. They also have the cocoa shimmer. This one has fragrance and a little bit of shimmer if you want to have that glowy look and you're not allergic to fragrance. There's some kind of Christmas rave song on. This is new Rail Beauty Exfoliating Cleanser with salicylic acid and succinic acid. Remember when brands were trying to make succinic acid a thing? People just ignored it. Centella extract is anti-inflammatory. $18.99 for this 1.5% salicylic acid acne treatment. I'm telling you guys, check out the e.l.f. Blemish Breakthrough Water Cream. Much better value. But this looks promising, honestly. Zinc PCA. This is very similar actually to that e.l.f. one. Miracle Clear. At least in terms of ingredients. The e.l.f. one I'm talking about also is tinted green, so it's good for redness. Then they've got a barrier cream with ceramides, panthenol, and again, succinic acid. This one has fragrance. It came out with a new retinol. It has squalane and emollient, and bisabolol is anti-inflammatory. Magnolia bark extract may be soothing. So this has hydroxypinacolone retinoate, which is not really retinol. It's a retinol ester. It may not do anything. I would pass on this. There's just not the research behind that ingredient. I mean, unless you're intrigued to try it, but it's not, like if you're looking for retinol, that doesn't actually have retinol in it. This is new, the Depuff Brighten Eye Gel. They didn't have that the last time we were here. Sodium hyaluronate is good for moisturizing delicate eyelid skin, smoothing fine lines. 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. It's a stable form of vitamin C that may help with warding off oxidative stress, but it doesn't appear to convert to ascorbic acid in the skin, so you're not getting that collagen boosting effect. Also new, Up and Up came out with anti-dandruff shampoos. This one's got zinc pyrithione, so it's a combination shampoo and conditioner. Zinc pyrithione fights off malassezia, the yeast that lives on everyone's skin, but overabundance of it creates inflammation and generates the nidus for dandruff flares. They have the 2-in-1 and then they have the Daily Clean. Very similar in terms of ingredients to Head and Shoulders. Then there is the Itch Relief with 3% salicylic acid, which is another dandruff fighting ingredient. $5.99 is not a bad price for that. Oh, and then Then they have a selenium sulfide one as well, like Selsun, $5.99. Selenium sulfide also works really well for treating tinea versicolor, that little spotty breakout people get often in the summer times, especially if you live in a humid tropical environment, otherwise known as pityriasis versicolor. Zinc pyrithione shows promise for helping with scalp health and improving hair growth, or supporting healthy hair growth in those with androgenetic alopecia. Zinc pyrithione as well as ketoconazole. Ketoconazole may have an anti-androgen effect as well in the scalp, which helps with androgenetic alopecia. This was here one other time, the Up and Up fragrance-free moisturizing bath oil. This is actually really good if you have a flare-up of eczema, to put this on the skin before you get in the bath or in the shower. And it's also helpful to use this if you're having trouble like with water-resistant sunscreen coming off, although there's no emulsifier in this, so it may not rinse off as easily. But for eczema, it's kind of good to have a lubricating oil on. May help combat some of the dryness around bathing with hot water. Looks like Target started carrying Neostrata now. Neostrata is under the umbrella of ownership, same as Neutrogena. PHA renewal pads. Polyhydroxy acid is what PHA is. The lactobionic acid is a polyhydroxy acid. Those are really gentle exfoliants, as it claims, and they also help with moisturizing the skin. This is sort of like almost a toner, but in a pad form as a way to apply it. And it's really gentle exfoliating, like beneficial actually in theory if you have rosacea, because rosacea could benefit from a little gentle exfoliation. It may help reduce the burden of the mites that contribute to rosacea. But it's all about a balance of like tolerating it. Polyhydroxy acid is a good option. But that's the only thing left here from the Neostrata line. Here's the new CeraVe Oil Control Moisturizing Gel Cream. I reviewed this for you guys this year. I was not impressed by it. It's not bad, but it's not like strikingly different from their other moisturizers. But CeraVe has come out with a dandruff line of shampoos that I was hoping to see here, but I'm not seeing them yet. Dove. And all of your holiday scents that always look so tempting. $7. Gingerbread Delight. They also have the body scrub, and then they have the scented beauty bar. This smells like those creamsicle candies. Check it out. Curology has a little gift set. Travel sizes of their moisturizer, cleanser, pimple patches, and an SPF lip balm with zinc oxide. Probably leaves a cast, but nice to have a small, like, aliquot of it just to try. The cleanser and the moisturizer are both fragrance free. So is the lip balm. $20. Kind of expensive, but I always forget about CeraVe's hand cream. It's got dimethicone in it, so this is really good if you have to wash your hands a lot for your work, because it doesn't feel greasy like petroleum jelly, but it'll help cut down on dryness and irritation. It also has ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Free of fragrance, $10.49. To try their new urea intensive moisturizing lotion. Let me know if you guys have tried it. I saw La Roche-Posay also came out with a urea lotion. We have skin protectant. Diaper rash cream always steps up to the plate. And here's one from Up and Up for $2.79. Creamy diaper rash ointment. Fragrance free. Zinc oxide is soothing. It has mineral oil and petrolatum. So a little bit extra compared to petroleum jelly as far as ingredients, but an excellent option. And then there's also this one I recommend a fair amount. The Aquaphor Diaper Rash Cream, fragrance free. I'm not going to offer any commentary on this other than comment below on, did you always think this was gripe water? I did, for like my whole life, until I went to medical school and they were talking about it being gripe water. Also, Aquaphor Healing Ointment, or the Up and Up version, which in my opinion is not that inexpensive, $5.49. Let me tell you, if you want the least expensive version of Aquaphor, go with the Amazon Basics one. It's really inexpensive for a giant tub of it. This Honest Sensitive, these are really good products actually. The face and body lotion is excellent. It's pretty hydrating. It has aloe in it, which is moisturizing. Also glycerin. I don't recommend bubble bath, even fragrance free. Be very harsh on the skin of children with eczema especially. The shampoo and body wash is also a great option. I've washed my face with this before. This is another really great option from Honest, the head to toe ointment, and I'm glad they have it now in a tub because it used to come in a tube, really hard to get out, but it has allantoin, another skin protectant. So this is another option for cutting down on chafing, irritation, or if you have an impaired barrier and you're looking for an occlusive balm, this would be an excellent option. Speaking of occlusive balms, love Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy nighttime balm. It has colloidal oatmeal in it, which is very hydrating and soothing to the barrier, plus ceramides. Now this looks new, the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Healthy Start Newborn Balm, fragrance free. It's like a nice moisturizer. Aveeno is the goat of oat. I made a rhyme there. They also have this daily moisture lotion, which is fragrance-free, dimethicone as a skin protectant plus the oat to hydrate and soothe. $12.29. The daily wash and shampoo, this does have fragrance, but is pretty mild overall. You could use that as a face wash, honestly. All right, guys, Target did not disappoint with all of the new skincare. I'm really excited about those body lotions and their anti-dandruff shampoos for affordable options. Don't sleep on the Up and Up brand because I think that they are even more competitive in pricing compared to Walmart store brand, and the formulas almost always deliver, although I haven't tried any of these new ones. But let me know in the comments if you have seen these at your local Target. But thank you guys for watching. On the end slate I'm going to put my last Target shop with me video, so check that one out next if you missed it. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.